Hi guys, I have created this short tutorial video to help as you work to design presentations given in class. So what makes a great presentation? We will look more in depth at three important components of a great presentation: typography, screen design, and use of media. First we have typography, which is the way text is arranged and presented. Key items to remember with typography are to keep it simple, do not use lengthy sentences and paragraphs, and make it easy to read. Here is an example of a slide showing typography. Here I use different fonts and sizes to create typographic hierarchy. Notice Scientific Method is larger, the steps are smaller. Next we have screen design. Key items to remember here are also keep it simple, no clutter, don't let the graphics overpower your text, no extra decoration, and have a visual focal point. Finally is the use of media. Here I have given an example of a full screen picture with text. In this case, you could explain items on the screen as they pertain to your overall message of the slide rather than listing everything. Use visuals to highlight your key message. As before, keep your slides simple. This slide is too busy, and your audience wouldn't understand the point you want to make. They would be too busy studying each picture rather than listening to your presentation. This slide is also an example of what not to do in your presentation. Yes, the picture pertains to the text, but the text is difficult to read and your audience would spend more time deciphering the words than the message. If you want to use an animation, it should be used to help the audience find and remember the main point. Remember, keep it simple, less is more. And one last part that I always want you to include is a slide of references to give credit to where you found your information. Happy creating!